Hello, this is a case study on the sentimental analysis of the fruits. So here you can see we have certain tasks. We have given fruits, their properties like their taste, their smell. So we have given some tasks here, as you can see in this dialog box. Select those fruits having the sweet taste, sour taste, good smell, bad smell. Then we have the sweet taste but smell is bad. We have the sweet taste but the smell is good, sour taste, good smell, sour taste, bad smell. So these are the simple questions. So what we did here, you can see here in this table, we have first we took the fruits and we categorized them according to their taste, smell, whether it is good or bad. As you can see here, in case of apple, we have a sour taste sometime and smell is good. So we will check this out for each fruit. So according to that we will classify this. So first of all we will select those fruit having the sweet taste. So see in the table those fruit having the sweet taste. You can see we have banana, first banana, second coconut. So the answer should be coconut and banana. Let's check it out. Done. You can see we selected two fruits having the sweet taste. Next question is select those fruit having the sour taste. You can see here apple, pineapple, lemon, grapes. So the answer should be these four fruits. Click this. Done. You can see here we have the four fruits having this. This is a simple program. You can do this in C++ or any programming language. So we have I also implemented this in the C++. So for fun I did this in HTML. So later I will upload this in C++. You can see here. Next question is fruits having the good smell, I think. Yes, you can see here we have the fruits, they have the good smell. Next is those fruits having the bad smell. Oh, see in the table, sweet having the bad smell is pineapple, lemon. Suppose we categorize them according to that. It doesn't mean that they smells bad. Suppose we did this. So you can see the answer. Now we have the fruits having the sweet taste, good smell. Sweet taste and good smell. See the match here for banana, and no, it's only banana. So the answer is click banana. Oh, next is sweet taste, bad smell. Sweet taste, what smell is bad now? So for this we have coconut. It smells bad. Yeah, the answer is coconut. According to this we did the sentimental analysis of the fruit. So next is sour taste, what smell is good. So according to this table, I'm not saying it's universal truth, according to this table we have sour taste and good smell for grapes, according to this table only. Okay? Last is sour taste, bad smell. Okay, sour taste, bad smell. We have pineapple, lemon, yeah, pineapple and lemon. So this is a simple case study we did on the fruits, that is the semantic analysis of the fruits. We will implement this in C++. That's more meaningful. So that's all about this video. If any question you can comment below. So this is a simple project we did in web development. Thanks for watching this video. For any query please comment below.